Hey, my fashion fam. Welcome back to Style Savvy. We have you back on Style Savvy.
Hey, how nice to have you back. How have you been?
Very good. In fact, going for a vacation, so I think this is the best time I could have actually met you. You really have to help me for this resort outfits that I'm like really stumbling upon.
Absolutely. Do you like what I'm wearing?
I am in love with what is this outfit?
I'm going to show you the perfect collection which will go right from your day to night.
Wow, I
Yeah.
am so excited. Let's go.
Absolutely. Let's go.
Your weekly dose of glam, edge, and everything in between is going to knock your door. I'm your host Pallavi, and today's episode is Dripping in Style. Do we need any round of introduction for this woman? She's the queen of effortless chic, a magician with silhouettes, and my forever favorite. Join me on the show as our celebrity stylist expert is the one and only Prachi Khare. Okay, what are we calling this episode? This is Prachi's signature outfits, and she takes me on a style adventure, literally, through one of South Bombay's most luxurious hidden gems, the Story brand. And I promise to tell you the story about the brand towards the end of it, but for now, I can't really wait to show you all the looks that Prachi drapes me into. And trust me, I promise all those looks are going to fit in every season across the year, and you'll have something or the other to take away from. So, shall we start and jump right into look one? Listen, I was leaving for a vacation. I had no clue what to put in my suitcase, and that's when Prachi surprised me with this dreamy drawstring. And when I asked her, what is your mind behind this outfit? She says, think about easy elegance. That's what I'm going to elevate your comfort with. And I think that's the true representation of this outfit. Look at the tunic. It just flows right? With adjustable drawstrings that sort of clinch towards your waist for that flattering silhouettes that you see me pulling off quite well, I must say. And the fabric, it's buttery, soft and breathable. In my opinion, I think it can be your summer best friend. Okay, now time for look 2. Can I please say it was a major moment for me, and I didn't want to wait for the finale look because I got so absorbed in this one. Okay, joking, the finale look has come to you, but coming back to this pleated skirt with a bralette, oh my god, I was blown away as you are. It's so bold, it's feminine, but I have to give credits to my stylist and the Story brand, whose combination can make me look this pretty. That's crazy. And the structured bralette brings a fierce contrast, don't you think? You can layer it with a sheer blouse or maybe an oversized blazer, depending on the vibe and the events that you're attending. But I feel this one screams spring summer. You can maybe add boots and a crop jacket and it transitions seamlessly into autumn. Well, you are your own fashion queen. Mix and match, but this one has my heart. And now, ladies and gentlemen, time for the showstopper look. Here we have the Lyra draped sari. Listen, it goes without saying. It looks like the sari's cooler, edgier cousin, don't you think? It took me barely 3 or 4 minutes maybe to wear it, and I'm not even kidding. It's a pre-drape, like I said, super flowy in your body, and it literally hugs the body, if I can put it in words. This is how the outfit made me feel with the stretch fabric that moves with you. This one's perfect for wedding season, right? Or whenever you want to serve drama with ease, girls gotta wear saris, right? Pair it with minimal accessories or maybe go full glam, you do you, but this has to be the red carpet outfit of today's Style Savvy. Okay, this has to be the showstopper outfit. Prachi, I want to know all from you. Why have you chosen this for my resort evening?
So, Pallavi, as you mentioned that this is going to be date night and, what can be as nice and romantic as pastels, the prints that this designer has given. I'm in love with these prints firstly.
Wow, 3 looks, 1 store, infinite style. Can I say Prachi and the Story brand have officially converted me? I couldn't have said it better, but this was founded by Maina Sobiti Rajani and it's located at the heart of South Bombay. The Story brand is a fashion label that celebrates individuality and empowerment through timeless, legitimate hand-embroidered designs, which you saw me wearing as well. Well, the founder has a little background in finance, but I must say her creative spirit nurtured by her mother's work in art and fashion. If you thoroughly enjoyed all these looks, please visit the store in Mumbai, and you can also find them online on www.thestorybrand.in. And I'm going to add all the links in the description below for you to follow Prachi, for you to follow the Story brand. And until next time, like I say, stay bold, stay beautiful, but most importantly, stay style savvy. This is your host Pallavi signing off for now.
94.3 Radio 1.